Are you looking for a budget tablet in 2021? If yes, today I am going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Watch the video till the end because I am going to unbox 2019 edition. Hello, Shimson here again. Welcome back to another episode of my channel. So before moving forward, if you guys are new to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe my channel. I promise it will be worth it. Let's have a look at it. Beautiful cover. It's typical that Samsung writes full model on site. It's kind of good though, avoids lots of confusion. We have here 32 GB storage, which is the least storage capacity in this model, but kind of enough since we are not going to take a lot of pictures and video with this anyway. The cover comes with this sticker on two sides, just to assure that the unit is seal-packed. Again, typical Samsung thing. Okay, I'm going to break the seal. Here we go, removing the cover. Okay, it comes with a thin polyester cover, maybe to protect the big screen. I will put it aside and go through other accessories. We have here SIM ejector tool, some documents, charging and data cable. It's micro USB. Well, it's a bit outdated because now almost all smartphones are using USB-C and this tablet has still not updated itself. Let's hope we will soon find USB-C in its future editions. This here is Samsung's standard charger 7.8 watts, which is obviously not a fast charger. We have nothing else here. Okay, I will open the polyester cover now. It looks nice, looks fully metallic, but it's aluminum alloy frame with plastic cover. We can see here that Samsung has removed the home button. These are volume buttons and power button. SIM tray and micro SD card slot here. Rear camera is on the side, not in the middle. It makes easy to take pictures, especially when we want to take the pictures at corners. Additionally, it would be great if there was a flashlight along with rear camera. You know, just to make its camera more functional. We have 2 megapixel front camera, front speaker and sensor consecutively on the top front, just above the 8 inches wide screen. The charging port is on the bottom along with the mic as obvious, and Dolby Atmos stereo speaker at the far end looks beautiful. Also, we have 3.5mm auxiliary port for earphones or headphones. Okay, let's start it. After unboxing and using the Samsung Galaxy Tab A for a week, I am delighted to reveal the experience about how I felt. Here I am going to elaborate the pros and cons of this tablet. I will start with pros. The design is really beautiful. Flat edge finishing has even added extra beauty to its aluminum frame body. The device has stereo speaker which can easily attract music listeners. About the earphone jack, Samsung has continued providing earphone port in it, but I won't be surprised if they stop placing port in the future. because there is no earphone provided along with the device. The device has blue light filter, which is a good feature for people who use tablets before going to bed, as it helps them to sleep quickly. Samsung has provided Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 chipset, which is a positive feature. The screen size is 8 inches, which allows us to watch movies and use social media. It feels more comfortable as compared to smartphones. Another extraordinary features of this tablet is that it has the option of SIM card, which means this is not only tablet but also a big smartphone, and it supports 4G LTE network. The unit has 2GB RAM, which is pretty reasonable for its price range. The main advantage of this tablet is its price. Approximately $150 has made a strong value for money. Let's talk about cons. The tablet doesn't support fast charging. It's really disappointing because we have to wait for quite some time to fully charge it. The battery capacity is 5100 mAh. That means this lasts only for one day if we use it properly. Also, another negative point to add here is screencast. There is no option for mirroring the device to other smart devices. The device is not for heavy gaming, although games with normal graphics have no problem playing in it. The camera is 8 megapixel, which is pretty average, as taking pictures is not really its thing. My conclusion is that this is a good tablet for normal daily application, as I use social media, Netflix, YouTube and some normal game in it. I am really satisfied with its overall performance, so I recommend you to buy if you are looking for a device like this at low prices. Well guys, that's it for today. If you find my video informative, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment below to suggest or question about the video. See you again.